Hi, this is Gregory Possiman coming to you from Todd, North Carolina. Excuse me. And this is the monthly channeled message for October of 2024. Before we begin, I'd like to announce that in October, from the 24th, a Thursday, through the 27th, a Sunday, my friend Catherine and I will be presenting the Blue Ridge Mountain Autumn Retreat in Blowing Rock, North Carolina. And Blowing Rock is a beautiful city, and we will be at the Blowing Rock Conference Center for a residential retreat. There is still space available for that retreat. If you're interested, please go to the website www.gregorypossman.com. And there you will find in the events section the information that you need in order to register. And we would love to have you if you'd like to come. We have space for 16 people. And we're looking forward to that with a lot of excitement. And we will be channeling, we will be doing meditation. We will go visit two beautiful sites, and that is the peak weekend for the autumn leaf season here in the mountains. So if you're interested in that, please join us. We would love to have you. And without further ado, we shall begin our monthly message. This is again the monthly message for October of 2024. We are the one called Askara. We are the leader of the Venutian Earth installations on your planet. And it is to understand that there are 13 of these installations, and they are here on your planet to help monitor the progress and the evolution of the planet Earth. A planet in which we take great interest. We are aspects of what is called higher intelligence. We do not share that from any perspective of ego, but rather so that you understand that we are here to assist you, all of you, your entire race, and all species of life on the planet Earth. We are also here to keep humanity from making the same mistakes it had made in the past. And we desire for the aspect of the divine blueprint to be accelerated, speeded up, more rapid, if you will, working toward a place of peace on your planet, where all of humanity can accept one another and allow one another the opportunity of understanding, tolerance, and acceptance. That tolerance and that acceptance will lead to greater and greater evolution, to a point where humanity can achieve its own version of higher intelligence. And at that point, a great number of the challenges of the earth will, of course, be solved. Those challenges will be surmounted, so to speak, and they will no longer be difficulties. The technology that is necessary to create that change is, in fact, existing. And it's simply a matter of our assurance that that technology will not be used toward any violent end before we can deliver it to you. At which point, your challenges and your difficulties will, in fact, be solved. The solutions to these issues, including your ecosystem, including the aspects of hunger and thirst on your planet, including the aspects of comfort for all of your population, can in fact be solved easily if we are assured that the technology we have to offer you will not in any way, shape, or form be used for any kind of destructive or violent intention. At this point in time, we would ask you to close your eyes and to breathe. And based upon the information we have just shared with you, give yourself permission to come into a very peaceful, calm, and balanced state. If you can, allow your mind to slow down all of its activity. In other words, allow all of the thought patterns to simply pass. And breathe. And imagine that you are flowing into your heart, into that part of your chest where your heart is beating and pumping blood throughout your system, your physical system. And imagine that you are infusing thought patterns of love into that serum of blood that circulates throughout your physical body. And that as that blood flows through your heart center, you are infusing it with what are called tiny particles of love, called by the Christ energy adamantine particles of love. And those particles of love have only one intention, and that is the creation of peace and love within your being. Creation of balance, creation of harmony, a creation of attunement. Attunement to what, you ask? Attunement to your highest and best intention. Attunement to the highest frequency you can attain in the physical state that you have chosen in this lifetime on this planet. A lifetime you have attained in order to serve. To serve whom? To serve those around you, both seen and unseen. Other members of humanity, and spiritual beings as well, light beings, some of them residing here on the planet, many residing in other realities, other dimensions. And how might I serve them, you ask? You serve them by demonstrating your love, your unlimited, unconditional love on the planet. And how might I do that, you ask? You allow yourself first to send these tiny particles of love throughout your bloodstream into every part of your being. You encourage it to flow into the fluids that circulate throughout your body, to allow these particles to flow into the farthest reaches of your limbs, into the tips of your toes and the tips of your fingers, and even outward, like a stream of energy, a stream of love, a stream of light particles that may go throughout your universe, sending bright messages and light outward into the world. And as these peaceful waves of energy are flowing throughout the universe, throughout your planet, throughout this dimension, peaceful intentions are spread and shared, and you begin to feel more peaceful, more calm, more balanced. And the hectic life that you lead, and the hectic thoughts that you think, become more calm, more peaceful. And a wave of beautiful violet energy flows through your mind. A fluid, feminine wave of energy flows from the mind down into the heart center, offered to you by we, the Venusians. And breathe. Because you see, regardless of what the rest of humanity may believe, we are here to help you avoid violence and death. We are the one called Askara. And it is our desire as a race, as a higher intelligence, to accelerate your evolution. Not just you as a race, but even you as an individual. Ask us to help you. and we will be honored to do so. So be it. This is Gregory Possiman coming to you from Todd, North Carolina. I hope your life is creating and producing everything that you want, and I hope that all is well in your world. Take care. Until next month, be well.